Hello, good morning. Uh, I'm Pipo and I'm going to our place in San Simon from Philippines, Cagayan de Oro City. Here I'm waiting because it's so traffic. I'm just going, let's go in. Okay, let's go. Look, so very traffic here in Cagayan de Oro Boulevard. So very. We're going to the mountain in San Simon. It's just a little farm there. My family of Pacamo. Yes, it's my great grandfather. Look, guys, this is the place of Cagayan de Oro. So very traffic, and that going to Green Hills Memorial. My great grandfather is there. His grave is there. So very there. Look, oh, look. Going to the mountains. Oh no, I'm so very driving. I will update you when I'm there, okay? I will show you there. Okay. Bye. Yeah, we're here in Kanituan, new bridge here. Yeah, look. Just what's you call that? Newly opened bridge and road. Diversion road going to Bulao and to biking on and to our great San Simon place there. That's it. Look, so very deserted. To Filipino friends there, I'm just what you call that? Okay. To my fellow Filipino, you're wondering, look there, so beautiful there. You're wondering, I'm Englishing. I'm just enhancing my English vocabulary. Yes. Oh, look, so very nice there. Because I want to go in some place in Australia. I want to work there to find some mini money in job. That's all I want to go. That's why I'm enhancing my English vocabulary. I'm just trying my best here. Okay, look. It's already 7:40 in the morning. Okay, we're in biking on the place to be. Like this. I want to introduce myself first. I'm Pipo from Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Yes. Actually, I'm just doing English because my language English because so that if this video or someone subscribing me, a foreigner or any, they will understand me, so that it will be a national language, diba? Yeah. So witty. The road is wet. Morning wet. Dream wet. Joking, just joking. Alright. Sorry, so my video, I'm just using my phone because I don't have any GoPro or 360. It's nice, but I can't afford it for now, but I will buy someday, somehow, somewhere. Rare. Look, this place. We're in biking now. Going there. Just 15 minutes. Go there. So can it's our destination. Guys, please subscribe and like my page if you want more of my life. Okay. Oh, there's so many CR there. Look, it's the national. Guys, you just comment if you want some question or any suggestion. That's what I'll do here in our place. If you want to see some place, guys, this is a beautiful place. Look. If you want some, what you call that, you want to stay here, I will find some lot for you. Yeah, so beautiful. I will show you something here. Wait. Here. Look, man, it's a beautiful place. The sunset over there. Hello, using my phone. It's dangerous while using phone, right? Guys, additional of my details of me. I have 2 kids, girl and a boy. Yes. The girl is already 15 years old and the boy is 9, almost 10 years old. Yes. And then they're healthy, beautiful children of mine. I married them, but sorry to say we're separated because unconditionally love. Yes, it's true. Hello, and then guys, I'm just slowing down while using my phone so that everything is okay to go there. Okay, look. Yes, look, my running moment is marrying. It's only 20 kph of mine. Shout out there, my fellow motorcycle friend of ADB 160. Yes, national. This our group is national group. ADB 160. Yes, if there's someone there have a motorcycle of Honda ADB 160, you can join, so that we'll go banding and go rides over the There is 2 riders over there. Look, our place. This is a very U-turning. Sorry guys, my English, I'm just dancing my English. Yes, look. Lock. And then guys, what you call that, I'm already 38 years old. Yes. Single over there. Yes. Mapit na ta guys. Yeah. And then actually I'm going there in our house to do some labahing or washing my clothes. Here, that's my clothes there. I'm going to go there because want to wash my clothes because there is so many water, free water, yes, from the mountain. That's why I like to wash there, and my clothes is so very big, daghan, like that. You know what I mean, man? Yes, we're almost there. Wow, 400 meters. We're almost there. Alright, we're here. That's it called. That our gate there, over there. The gate of Majesty. That's the house of our family. Today, this is the land of the Pacamo clan. That's our house over there and our gate. I will open it, okay? Oops. Okay, let's go. Doogie Doogie, where are you? Scooby Dooby Doo. Mother and father, they're investing it. They're the one who make house. Right, we're going Saka there to our parking area. Oh, our goat is here. Why you're here, man? Get out. Daplin. Okay, good, very good. Nice one, girl. That's our goat. Okay, we're here. That's my motor. I miss my motor. Actually, guys, this car is owned by my father. He's the one who buy this. I'm just using it, just borrowing it. Okay, this is our place. Look, guys, these are places. Oh, there's another goat. That is a boy goat. The girl goat. So very nice. Okay, that's it, guys. I have a lot to do here. To help my bro here. She stay here. She sing here. I have a lot to do. We're doing the grass cutter here. The grass is so very tall now. And cleaning, lot of cleaning, and I will update you of my doing here. So very nice pa. And wow, this is very much. So annoying, the dog is annoying me. Sorry. What to do? Ibo, that's our dog. It's a Bill. This is Ibo. Ibo, come here. Look. She's a Belgian. And that's a pig Belgian. Okay, guys, I'll update you some of my new video again. Okay, bye guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment down if something you want to question. Okay, bye, see ya. Sheesh.